welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me, honey. We are getting glam together. So thank you so much to Lavy Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So now we are ready to move on to makeup. Y'all, my hands are dry. Like, I have the driest hands ever. So for makeup, we're gonna do something super simple. We're not doing anything crazy at all, but we are going to do a bold lip to go along with my graphic tee and my vibe for today. So for my primer, I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty primer, and this is just the original matte primer that they came out with. And y'all, this primer does so well with pores. Like, I just love this for my skin right now. And I want to get me a brush. I said I wasn't buying anything else, you guys, because I feel like I need to do a makeup declutter right now. Brushes and everything. I just have so much product that I don't even use and don't even like, and I really just need to get rid of it or give it away or use it at this point. So yeah, I need to get me a brush specifically for my primer. I know that e.l.f. has like a primer putty brush, like it's made for primer, but I'm sure I have something in my collection, like just a flat foundation brush that I could probably use. So today I just blended it out using the back of my beauty sponge. So hopefully it didn't eat it all up, okay? Hopefully it's some on my face. So for my foundation, I'm moving in with this Fenty Beauty foundation. Y'all just saw me almost drop that. So this is in the shade 400. I want to try another shade. I think I want to try shade 420. So I'm thinking about picking it up from Ulta. So yeah, this is my foundation for today. Sometimes I feel like it's a little bit too light, but once it actually has some time to oxidize into my skin, it looks perfectly fine. Like, it looks just fine. I don't know. I think when I look at 420 in the store, it just looks a little bit like a better fit for my skin. But once this oxidizes, like, it is perfect. So maybe I should just stick to what I have, because I don't want it getting too dark. Because y'all see how, like, every time I put on this foundation, it looks crazy. Crazy, girl. And maybe I should have put on my earrings after I did my makeup. Y'all, I am so interested in trying different foundations like NARS and all of that, because I've never tried NARS foundation, really anything from them. But I just feel like when it comes to like a good mattifying foundation, it don't seem like it's gonna do it for me, okay? Like, it seems like it's gonna be like a miss for me, because I do like a more matte foundation. I don't mind it natural sometimes, but being that the weather is starting to get a little warmer these days, especially since we're about to transition into summer, spring, one of them, I want something that is going to hold me down and not have me out here looking crazy and looking oily, girl. Now moving on to concealer. So for my concealer, I'm just using this e.l.f. concealer right here. This is just the hydrating concealer. I love this one over the matte one, and this one's in the shade Tan Neutral. And then I'm just going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, y'all. I have been loving this concealer, y'all, like crazy. Like, it's bringing back memories. So I'm just gonna mix a little bit of that in with this one, with the e.l.f. one, just to kind of give me a more brighter under eye. And to set everything, I'm gonna go in with this Laura Mercier powder, and this is in the shade Honey. And then for my bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and use this Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzer in the shade Phenom. And you guys, I have been loving this brush for my bronzer. So literally, when I get done filming this makeup look, I'm going to TJ Maxx and I'm getting this brush, another one, maybe even two. because it is so bomb. Like, it is so bomb. It fits perfect. I already have a small face and I just need my product to get where it's supposed to go. Okay, I don't need it to be all over my face. I don't need a super huge brush. I just love this brush, you guys. And I can't remember what video I talked about this bronzer in, but girl, go get it. It is a Japanese brush. So yeah, it's probably, I don't know if the video is even up yet, but it'll be up soon. It'll be up soon, sis. For my blush, I'm using this Nicka K blush, and girl, this blush is $1.99 from the local beauty supply store. Okay, it's so pigmented. They have another one that I like too. It's an orange one, but I'm using the pink one today. So I think I'm gonna mix both of these, just a little bit of both. I'm not gonna go too crazy, girl, because I am doing a bold lip, and you know I don't want to be giving clown vibes. Okay, we wanna look cute and natural. But y'all know I go crazy with the blush anyway because I love blush. So I am gonna be using a little bit of highlighter today. I have not used highlighter in a minute here on my channel, besides my nose. So yeah, let me go ahead and snatch the nose. So I'm just using my usual L'Oreal powder, and we're gonna go ahead and get her right. I'm also gonna be taking this same powder into my crease area, kind of like as a transition. I'm not really doing anything too much on the eyes. I really just want to make sure I focus today's video on just having a flawless face, flawless skin, and a bold lip. Like, that's my vibe for today. I don't really want to do anything too crazy. I just remember, y'all, I did not even apply any powder to my face, so I think I'm gonna go back after I apply my highlighter to just put a little powder right here, like in my smile line area. And this foundation is so matte. Like, I love it because I really don't even need powder if I don't want to, but I do like to just set my smile line area sometimes. So I'm gonna go back and do that. And it blended so good with these powder products. Like, for me not to be done set it, stop playing with Rihanna. Okay, so yeah, just a little bit of highlighter, especially since my face is forward. I really want to highlight my features, honey. So let's take a quick break and apply lashes, and I'm just using these. They are super natural, you guys. I get these off of AliExpress, and these are actually like the lashes that my mom and my sister enjoy using because they're super natural. So I'm going to be using these in today's video. And now I'm just taking some of this Maybelline mascara and applying it to my top and to my bottom lashes. And then I'm just taking this brush right here. This is also another one of the Japanese brushes, dipping into my powder, and I'm literally going to, I look crazy while I'm talking and doing this, but I'm just setting it. A lot of people say smile lines just means you're a happy person, but I'm at the point where, like, what do they get? Botox, whatever I need, girl, because I am tired of them. Okay, and last but not least, we're going to be doing lips. So for my lip, I'm using this Juvia's Place the Red Scarlet Mini Liquid Lipstick in the shade Scarlet. I love how buttery and smooth the formula is. Like, normally with liquid lipsticks, like wherever you set it, girl, you better hurry up and move because it is going to dry. But this is so creamy. This was my first time actually using anything from Juvia's Place as far as any lip products. Lip liner, lip gloss, liquid lipstick, all of that. Just make sure your lips are moisturized, honey. But that's with any liquid lipstick. You have to make sure your lips are moisturized. So yeah, this is pretty much the final look. So this ponytail is from LAVYHAIR, and this is a 26-inch natural wave drawstring ponytail. When I tell y'all this ponytail is bomb, it is bomb. From the curl pattern to the length to the texture of this hair, everything, girl. This ponytail was super easy to install. I love that it was a drawstring ponytail. I have not worn a ponytail since like high school, you guys, and being that this was a drawstring ponytail, like growing up my mom used to do ponytails on me all the time, you guys, with the drawstring and the clips. Honey, if you know, then you know. This just is nostalgic to me. It brought back so many memories and I just love it. I love that this ponytail is like the perfect density. It's not too thin, but it's also not too thick. Especially nowadays, I feel like the bigger, bulkier ponytails are not really in. I love how sleek this ponytail looked, and I also do love that I did decide to go ahead and put some wand curls toward the end. I also really feel like this ponytail will be nice straightened as well. I thought about straightening it, but I was like, you know what, let's save that for another time. So this is bomb. Like, I have nothing but good things to say about it. The quality of the hair is amazing. The structure and the construction of this ponytail is amazing. Super easy to install, honey. If you are having a bad hair day, you can literally throw this on within 10 minutes and be out the door. I am all for a nice sleek look with your hair completely pulled out of your face. I think it's so many different ways that you can wear this ponytail, you guys. If you want to do a bang, honey, if you wanted to like do some like two little pieces coming down, that will be cute too. Like, I am in love. So I want to show you guys how long this ponytail comes on me. Like I said, it is in 26 inches and I'm about 5'2". So let me show y'all what it's giving, honey. So it's literally coming like literally almost to my butt, y'all. So not only does Lavy Hair offer drawstring ponytails, but they also offer wraparound ponytails. So no worries if 26 inches is too long for you. They have 12 inches all the way up to 30 inches. And there are also so many different textures that they offer, you guys. They have kinky curly, kinky straight, body wave, natural wave, deep wave. Honey, whatever you want, okay? Like, whatever you want and whatever fits your natural hair texture best, they absolutely have it. I decided to go ahead and go with natural wave because I am relaxed, and I also wanted something that gave me more versatility. So if I wanted to wear this ponytail straight, I could do that. And also if I wanted to throw a few curls like what I did in today's video, I can do that as well. And the origin of hair that I have is just Brazilian. I'm just a Brazilian kind of girl, but they have Malaysian, they have Peruvian, they have European. Girl, they have it all, okay? They literally have it all. Thank you so much again to Lavy Hair for sponsoring today's video. As always, everything will be linked down in my description bar below. The direct link to this ponytail as well as their website and maybe even a coupon code. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.